Which do you think will weigh more, the apple or the coconut? You think? Let's weigh them. Ooh, see? It is. It's the coconut. The coconut is lower than the apple. It weighs more. Must be heavier.
Where are you going to go?
And good job.
How are you going to get out?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go, Johnny?
These strawberries weigh more.
No, this popcorn weighs more.
Steve!
Are you ready? Which one do you think weighs more? The strawberries
You want to just hang out up there?
or
Is that what you want to do? I think he's got it. You can't get back in now. What are you going to do?
Look, it's the strawberries. The strawberries are lower.
Where are you
than
going to
the
go?
So the
You're
strawberries,
like a little gymnastics.
they're heavier. You are so good.
And now what are you going to do? You got out! My son. My son. We're so proud of my son. He jumps out of everything.